step at a time, I find my way through valleys of flowers, fresh mountain showers. With magical powers, I find my way. One step at a time, I walk my path in trust and surrender, through sunshine and thunder. With eyes full of wonder, I walk my path. One step at a time, I find my way. One step at a time, I find my way.
Hi, I'm Geeta Modi. Well, sometime back, I told you I want to travel and make a vlog. So, the time has come. You must be wondering why I'm so stressed, right? Well, what can be so stressing? Packing, of course. As you know, airlines have so many issues about the weight. You can only carry 15 kilos in domestic. Well, even if you're traveling abroad and you may be traveling business class, but when you have to take internal flights there, again there are restrictions. And we need to take everything with us because we have to click pictures, we have to look pretty, we have to have a variation of clothes and everything. And we have to shop. So we need space for that too. I don't mind shopping and then paying for the luggage on the way back. But right now, when you go, you require to have the proper packing done so that you can go in style. Wait, let me see what I can do. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to call my daughter. Yes. Shaibi, your mom is going to call you. You know why I called Shaibi? Well, Shaibi is a stylist and she does this for a living. She styles wardrobes, she styles people's trousseaux, she does a lot of travel wardrobes, she does styling for films, for commercials, for music videos, for web series, for portfolios. So this is what she does for a living. And that is why I am so lucky that Shaibi came to my rescue. Voila! This is the result. It's winters. It's going to be terribly cold. It's even snowing in some places. So this is how Shaibi has clustered my clothes. Let me tell you how. Well, let's start with the trousers. These are the 4 trousers we've taken. And what I have got is a range of colors, right from light to dark. These are the ones which are the most comfortable for me. I can spend the whole day in them. And they are also stretch. So if I have to wear thermals below, I can use it that way too. Well, coming to the tops now. Shaibi has selected a whole range of them which will go with my 4 trousers. Well, you can see there are more here because many of them are going to be used for layering. They are the thinner ones which are worn below the tops which are going to be seen. You may not even see them in the pictures that I post and in the videos that I post. And these are also used very well for packing because they are very thin. You can fold them and stuff them in corners. These are my 3 jackets. This is the outermost layer, the black one, the yellow one and the green one. They go perfectly with the trousers that I've taken and they are perfect for the cold. So I've got my toiletries, my makeup, a bit of jewelry that I carry, my scarves, my leg warmers, the thermals, the nightwear, the caps, the shrugs and the sunglasses of course. So I wanted to carry 1 pair of shoe with every outfit. पर ये मुमकिन होता नहीं है तो इसीलिए अभी ये फाइनल 3 लिए मैंने. बूट्स स्टाइल के लिए ये ब्लैक वंस जो मेरे हर एक आउटफिट के साथ जा सकते हैं और ये मेरे कंफर्ट के लिए. रिड्यूस, रीयूज, recycle. Carry your own coffee maker come coffee mug. This is super helpful because it's going to be cold and this will give you nice warm coffee. Okay, Now the bag. My Louis Vuitton. This travels very well with me because I can make it bigger like a proper tote, and at the same time I can even make it smaller and make it look more stylish. This Michael Kors, this conductor bag, is for the times when I want to just take little stuff and go to places where I don't need to carry too much of heavy things. So this goes well with that. These are the two bags that I'm taking with me, and the necessities, essentials, my earmuffs, and I think that sums up what I am going to carry with me to this wonderful tour to the mountains, Himachal. Here I come. एक खास बात बताती हूँ मैं आपको, पैकिंग करते वक्त आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है, और मुझे ये समझ में आया है मेरी बेटी से कि व्हेन यू पैक आपको ऐसी चीज़ें लेकर जानी चाहिए जो पहले इस्तेमाल की हो, बिकॉज इफ यू हैव नॉट यूज द स्टफ बिफोर इट कैन कॉज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम. स्पेशली जूते, नए जूते तो चुभते हैं, आपको पता है, तो ऐसी चीज़ें लीजिए जो आपने पहले यूज़ की हो. सेकेंड थिंग, कीप इन माइंड कि आपके जो आउटर लेयर्स है, स्पेशली ठंड में जो आप आउटर लेयर्स जैसे जैकेट्स है, श्रग्स है, वो जो भी लेकर जाते हैं उसे थोड़ा लूज रखिए, लूज वाले लेकर जाइए कि अंदर आपने 2-4 लेयर्स किए कपड़ों के तो ये आपको अच्छे फिटिंग में रहेंगे. कीप इन माइंड. बहुत बोल लिया मैंने. अभी मैं ये सब सामान को बैग में डालती हूँ एंड गेट रेडी टू ट्रैवल विथ मी one step at a time.
One step at a time, I find